Our story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2018 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. Come take a test drive today.